This is a tour of the ceiling fans at Grand Rapids Lighting Center. So I'm at the main entrance, and when you first walk in, there's no fan, sadly. There used to be a fanimation crew, so all the way up there where you see the wires are, but that got taken down because it's sold, and we haven't had a fan up since. I'm trying to get a fan up there, probably like a Fanimation Spitfire, or you can put any suggestions in the comments below, but it has to be a fan we have in stock. So here's the front desk. Those are super nice Tech Lighting Fire Grande pendants that I really like. Over here are the actual fans. So we will start with grid. This grid, which is grid 120, and each grid has 5 fans, so we have over 130 fans on display, which is larger than my whole collection of fans. I only have like 107 or something, and that's not even counting the inventory we have downstairs. So we are the largest showroom in Michigan, and that includes Detroit too. So it's a pretty large showroom. So in this grid we have a Progress Lighting Aileron, a Fanimation wind point on clearance because it's old. This Haiku, which is also on clearance because it's the last gen model. This Matthews Irene with 5 blades. Is that the Irene? I thought these are Irenes. Maybe not. And also this Progress Lighting. Forgot the name of it, but I installed this too. Casoda, I think. And over here on this grid, it's a pendant grid, but we have one fan, and it's this Corm Fandelier. Over here on grid 1 something, we have 2 Spitfires. That one is black with dark walnut blades with a flush mount kit, and this one is a matte greige with dark walnut blades on an 18-inch downrod. And over here is a Irene Hugger with 3 blades. And yeah, all of these fans do work. All of the remotes are over here. On grid 123, which is this one, we have a Matthews Irene Hugger 5, a Matthews Eliza, a Matthews Mollywood, a Matthews Lindsay, and a Fanimation Doran. And so I'd say this is the Matthews fans grid. Over here is the Hinckley grid. So we have this Hinckley Ventus, this Hinckley Collier, the Hinckley Merrick, and this, I really like the style of this. It's the Hinckley Afton. I think that's how you say it. And here's the Mika grid. Mika Air Dino. There used to be a Mika Air Wave 44 in coal. Rudolph. Barn. And 2 Modern Forms fans. Here's Elf, which is on clearance because they stopped selling these. And the Vox 38. Over here we have the actual Modern Forms grid. There used to be a fan there, but it's sold. 2 Renegades, which are on clearance. One in, I forgot the name of this finish, but this one's black. A Wind 52, and this Modern Forms Corona 44. Here we move on to the official Fanimation grid. The first fans here is the Gleam, Fanimation Gleam. Here's the Spitfire, 60-inch AC version with natural blades, and it's in dark bronze. Here's a Brewmaster. It's been here for a long time. Here's, this fan's the only one that I'm gonna turn on because it's just so cool. It's on reverse for some reason. There. and this Fanimation Embrace. And over here, we have the Cute 44, the 72-inch DC Spitfire in matte grayish with, what's the finish of these blades? Weathered wood, I think? Yeah. And this black and brass Cute. And this beacon lighting Fanaway veil. And over here on the second Hinckley grid that I'd say, because there's 3 Hinckley fans, we have the Hinckley Swell 60-inch, this Hinckley Veil Flush, and the Hinckley Chisel right there. And here's the Cute 5 also on this grid. And here's another Fanaway product. It's the Sheridan. And we move to the second Mika grid. We have a Mika Air Stout, Concept 2, Roto, Vital, and Wing. The Wing has been here for a long time, but it hasn't sold, so it's still here. Going to a random grid, and we have this Kichler Gentry LED, Mika Air Alumna, Concept 2, and this Quorum Mera. Moving over here to another, let's say, Mika grid. We have the Metropolis right there, the Twist right here, the Canfield Patio and Mojo, and that's a Kichler. Moving to another Mika grid, we have the Bling, the Slipstream 65 LED, and the Steel, and this Kichler Basics Pro Legacy Patio Fan, which is quite a long name. And in the corner here, we have 3 Kichler Canfields, one 52, other 44, and third one, this tiny 30-inch one. And in the middle, we have the Enthrall. And let's go to this grid now. We have Arvada, this Modern Forms, that's a Kichler. This is a Modern Forms Morpheus 3, a Kichler Cosmos, and this Mika Air Gordon Fandelier thingy. And this grid is mostly a Kichler grid, but it has Mika and Fanimation too. So that's a Collaring by Kichler, Lair 2 by Kichler, Canfield Extra Large by Kichler, a Mika Roto Flush, and this Fanimation Torch. And this is mostly a Kichler grid. A Kichler Zeus, a Kichler Monarch, a Kichler Ease Patio, and this Mika Air Chubby 2. And over here, this grid is all Craftmates. It's the pretty old ones. They are all patio fans except for the one back there. No, this one's a porch fan, the rest are patio fans, and the one back there is an Outdoor Pro Plus. Now moving to the Craftmade grids, and there's just a bunch of Craftmates. I'm not gonna name them. We also have this Modern Forms thing and the Fanimation Punka. And here's a pretty cool Panama cutout and some blades, old Fanimation blades and Spitfire blades. But wait, there's more fans. So in our clearance center, we also have a few fans up in our clearance center. So if we walk all the way across the store, as you can see, there's a lot of lights. Right now we're closed because it's pretty early in the morning, but otherwise this place would be really bright. So if we walk all the way over here and into the clearance center, we have this Craftmade air decor, this Kichler Meredith, Fanimation Keystone, Vaxel Cabernet, which is also called Air Rider, Mika Air Mojo 2. It says it's a porch fan, but I'm pretty sure that's wrong. I think this is a Mojo 2. Fanimation Edgewood, something. Deluxe, maybe. Decorative, probably. This Mika Air Delano 2. This New Tone something. Probably just a fan. And all of these clearance buildery stuff fans. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.